Hello, and thanks for your interest in the Hurst Quick Strut product. What we're going to do here over the next couple minutes is real quickly review the product and its application, how you're going to use it. We'll start off with the product itself. It's going to come in its carrying case or bag. Inside the carrying case or bag, you'll find the two strut units, the two quick strut units. Also on the side of the bag is a pouch. In that pouch you will find two wrenches, which you use to operate the strut, to make adjustments and lock it off. So on your inventory, you should have your bag, your two struts, and your two wrenches. In order to use it, it's real quick and simple and easy. We're going to pick up one of the struts. You can deploy the strut either way. Approach the vehicle. Go ahead and put down your lower base plate. Establish a point approximately a couple feet from the vehicle. You're going to want to take your upper base plate, rotate it up, identify a good contact point. It's going to probably be a frame rail, something along those lines. We've got one at the bottom and one at the top. We're going to take the strut, we're going to extend it out, push the release, which is right here on the side. We're going to pull it up, extend it out until we make contact with the frame rail. At this point, this should be locked back. So now we're going to take the strap mechanism here. We're going to use it to make our bottom contact point on the vehicle. If this is locked, all you need to do on the ratchet is push it down to the far position. That'll release the strap. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to feed the strap out so we come to a point where we can make contact with the rail, frame rail. The strap has an extra protection mechanism on it. If you run into high heat from a muffler or catalytic converter, or if there's an extra sharp area, you can use it. In this case, we really don't, so we'll just put it off to the side. We're going to take one of our attachment rings here, or anchor points, hooks. We're going to come up. We're going to use it to grab the frame rail. Once that clips into the frame rail, then we're going to take our ratchet strap. We're going to raise up on it, and we're going to use it to take the slack out of the strap. Don't want to make it too tight, just snug enough that there's not any excess slack in the strap itself. Final thing we're going to do is go ahead and tighten down the strut itself. We'll take our wrench that came with it. On the left we have the adjustment mechanism. On the right we have the locking. We're going to take our wrench, place it in the left, the adjustment mechanism, and in this case we'll turn it down, going away. This will start to raise or extend the strut a little bit. All we're trying to do is make sure that the strut's extended and snug, so probably won't have to turn it very much. Once we've done that and everything's tight and snug on the strut, we'll take the wrench, insert it to the right. Locking mechanism goes about a quarter of a turn. That will prevent our latch from being activated, which could accidentally release the mechanism. Once you got the strut in place and have done what you need to do on the vehicle and want to go ahead and remove it, basically you just reverse the process. It's pretty simple and easy. You're going to take the locking mechanism that you locked, take the wrench, and go ahead and release it. You're then going to take your wrench, place it in the adjustment mechanism here next to the latch. Once again, in this case, we're going to go to the right to lower the strut just a little bit to take the tension off of it. Probably shouldn't take more than maybe one turn. We can see the struts drop back down, so we're good. At that point then, we can basically take the strut and activate the releasing mechanism. Go ahead and lower the strut back down. At that point, you can simply pick it up, walk away from the vehicle. Once you get to that, away from the vehicle in a safe area, simply would take your crank here and take the strap and tighten it back up into place. You need to release it, take the latch all the way down, push. This will allow you to free it up, pull the slack on the strap, and then simply take the crank and roll it back up. Strut's ready to go back in the bag. We're done.